All right, guys, 2001 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter V8. The heart of Chevy, like a rock, right? That's what these, yeah, like a rock. Anyways, I don't know if you boys remember like a rock. If you do, put it in the comments, like a rock. Factory converters there and there. Wise into a single there. We did something special on this one, SLP Loudmouth. There'll be a link in the description for it, right there. Then a white pipe and dualed out the back with 2 1/4. There and there, out the back. And then he went with the classic 4-inch roll tips. Straight out, there and there. He had a Flowmaster 40 series on it. We took it off right there. It wasn't loud enough for him. So we said, we'll put you the SLP Loudmouth. We'll make it loud. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And you know what to do. Subscribe, all that. And if you don't, we're really upset with you if you don't subscribe. So make sure you subscribe. Better? Are you happy? Yeah! Much better. Your sound decibels? 108. Yeah? Much better. Go ahead and back it out. Definitely loud now. I love it. Let you guys hear the inside. '2001 Silverado SLP Loudmouth duals. Straight out the back into 4-inch tips. Much better. Enjoy, guys.